In this video tutorial I will explain every step, one by one, to run your WordPress website. First, we need to sign up with hosting to host our website. Also, we need a domain name for our website. Recently, cost of hosting and domain is very expensive, so if you're just starting out, then you can take advantage of this free hosting and domain offer. There are so many different hosting companies online. I have provided links for most popular and reliable host in the description below. So, let's get started. Open your internet browser and type infinityfree.net. Sign up for hosting, provide real email address and password. Check, I am not robot. Check, I have read and agreed to term of service. Please read term of service carefully and understand. Click on sign up. Hosting service will send you an email to confirm your email address. If you want to edit your email address, then click on edit. Otherwise, open your email account and click to confirm on provided link. Now it will open new browser for hosting service. You can close old browser. Click on new account. Here, we are going to use our own domain name, so we need to go and sign up for new domain name. Open your web browser and type free.nom.com. Click on freenom.com link. Here, we are going to select our domain name. I am going to select webmax21. I am selecting .ga. Click on checkout. You probably receive an email to confirm your email address. You can select up to 12 months for your domain name. If you select more than 12 months, then you will have to pay for it. Click to continue. Your domain order is complete. Your total due is $0. Now, check on I have read and agree to the term and condition. Then click to complete order. You can write down your order number and keep for your record. Click on to go to client area. Click on service, on top right, then select domain. Click on manage domain. Click on management tools, then select name server. Check on custom name server, then check on change name server. Then go to hosting service and copy name server. Paste name server on domain site. Sometime name server take up to 5 hours to propagate and sometime it's done less than 5 minutes. Now let's go back to hosting site. Once your domain and hosting configured, hosting service will send you an email. Click on view account in client area. Here, you can see your hosting account detail. Click on Control Panel. This is a hosting control panel. Scroll all the way down and click on Softaculous Apps Installer. Here, you can see few apps for sites. We are selecting WordPress. Click on Install to install WordPress. Click on Install on blue button top left. In directory keep blank. Site name, site description leave as it is, you can change it later. Never use admin as username, because it is very common and your site can hack very easily. We need to create a username and unique password for WordPress. First, open a notepad and write down username and password. Copy username and paste it on username box. Copy password and paste it on password box. Make sure that you have strong password. It is very important that you replace with your real email address. Scroll down and click Install. Now WordPress has been installed successfully. Click the link to go to site. Now, your WordPress site is active online. Click this link to go WordPress admin or dashboard. This is your WordPress dashboard, where you can edit your website. I have uploaded another video for how to WordPress website, where I have explained how to replace WordPress theme, customize WordPress site, add pages, post, plugins, and some other helpful topics, so please watch that video. I have provided a link below. So, subscribe if you haven't already and stay tuned to watch those same videos in this category. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.